at the castle of my aunts. Ang bango.
Doon kami. Pakita ko sa'yo, ha? Baba. Tayo pupunta. Saan? Doon. Doon ang ski station sa taas. Nakita mo yun? Yun yung sa mga elevators.
Oh, malamig nga ako.
Malamig dito. Sarado mo yung jacket mo. Ito kami dito nagsa-summer kasi andito yung pool nila.
Ah, may pool pa. Wow.
They have pool, jacuzzi.
Here po? Sa baba?
Yeah, they have jacuzzi outside, jacuzzi inside.
Wow! Ano po to? Dito.
Saan yun ba? Nakita mo yung pinicturean ko? Ito yun.
Oh!
Yan ang send it to you. This yung town. May nandun yung pictures namin yung mga snow.
Opo.
Yung bubong. Ito yun.
Ang ganda nga buti hindi po itong mga pupunta
This is the pool. Open siya for summer.
Wow!
Dito kami sa service. So, sometimes gusto nila ng grill dito. Dadalhin yung grill dyan. Meet my niece.
Hello po. Ito.
Kuya Tony.
Hello.
Ito yung sinasabi ko yung tatay nung nanalo Miss Intercan.
Wow! Congrats po sa anak niyo.
Ano niluluto mo?
Manok, vegetable, soup, fried rice.
Wow, this is their kitchen.
Daming mail.
So this is where you usually cook.
Yeah, this is where I usually work.
That's it. Okay, speak English na.
Thanksgiving. Oh my gosh. Para pa ako nasa museum, pero dito tayo talaga magsistay. Because we're so rich, you know, this is our place. Oh my gosh.
Totoong Christmas tree. Fresh. Binibili.
Ang ganda, may chess po. May piano pa. Oh my. Lahat na. Picture na ba ko every section?
Oh, diba? Ang ganda.
Ang ganda. Oh my gosh. Parang bawal po hawakan yun.
Hindi.
Ang ganda. Mamaya na po tayo mag-picture taking.
The mayor is here.
Oh my gosh. Ang ganda, tita. Look at that. See?
Ayun na. Gusto mo doon.
Ang ganda.
Dalawa to din.
Guys, I'm here in our mansion, you know. Okay, gotta pee. Someone's hungry. This house is an elevator. Oh! Kaya po pa.
Ito masarap mang takot.
Umabot na parang mga antique pa yung mga things.
There is. Valuable.
Pero wala po kayo nafe-feel dito na mga creepy things. Don't tell me.
Mas matakotin.
Reflection. Oh my gosh. This is our mansion, you know.
Ito mga guest rooms.
Wow. Grabe naman pong guest room to. Laki ah.
Yeah, you have your private toilet.
What the? Oh my gosh. Dito po tayo?
Hindi.
Akala ko.
Yan, pakto. Kaya kunin yung kailangan mo. Akit tayo sa rooms.
Grabe. What is this? Tapos may fireplace pa sila. Ganda. Oh my gosh. Ito po ba yung pangtingin ng stars? We are now here in our castle. In our pajamas. Whoops. Automatic lights. We're gonna ride the elevator. This is our... Yeah. And it's 5:41 a.m. Sorry, Tita Jenny. I'm starving. Oh my gosh. Hello. So we've got 2 dogs. They're so happy, huh? So happy.
Hachi!
Smells so good talaga. Oh, that's so cute. That umbrella.
Umbrella?
Oh, that looks like oh, it's a parol. I'll go tour around outside. So, yep, this is the way to the laundry room and their other stuff. And the best part. Oops. How do you open this thing? Here you go. So this is their dining table. It reminds me of Beauty and the Beast. I'm Belle. And then another one which leads to this wall clock right here. Beautiful wall clock. And another one. This one's the best one. So they've got a chess table and Mama Mary and the real Christmas tree. They've got a piano and a bookshelf. And they've got this one too. They've got their fireplace. So pretty. I wish I owned this place. Okay. And it's so cool. It's just us here because their boss is on a vacation. So. So cute. Hello, Nana. Hello. Oh, you're so cute and pretty.
Sunny side up?
Yes, please.
Sunny side up.
Let's go. Let's go eat. Yes, please. Wow, also complete. So it's like 5:53 a.m. here and I'm up already.
Some butter?
Yes, please. Oh, so complete. Look at that. She made that. So good. This is Chef Jenny Garcia. Off to show us how to fry some eggs.
Some sunny side up. You want some toast?
Yes, please. Yes, please. Got chef in the house. We got some bread here. I'm gonna be making some milk chocolate, some chocolate milk, and some doggies.
Some doggies in the house.
We're gonna cook them. Just kidding.
Dim sum.
Gonna have some dim sum.
Dim sum, anyone?
This is so cool. Reminds me of Erwan. Shout out to Erwan. And Curtis's husband. So cool. Wanna have this place. Like, I wanna live here. I wanna own a castle too, you know. Bye. This is our breakfast. This egg was cooked perfectly. It's crunchy. Very good. Excellent. So like I've said, we are staying in a castle which is Chateau de Cipieres. Yep, and we're the only ones here. I'm gonna give you a tour. This is where their staff stay. They have automatic lights. Awesome. Stairs. Gonna bring you to the guest room. This is where they have their guest room. Yep. Awesome. They've got their own thing. A fireplace. And another place where you can check out the stars. Another guest room. This actually used to be a hotel before. This is another view. So this is the master's bedroom. Look at their pretty room. Oh my gosh. This is their kitchen. They have a dog too. This is the entrance. They've got a wall clock right here. This is their dining table. It reminds me of Beauty and the Beast. So pretty. Another favorite part of mine, they have a chess table. They've got a piano and a bookcase and a real Christmas tree and a fireplace. And Shannon, it's all so pretty. I'm gonna bring you to my favorite part. Hello, another dog coming. I'll bring you down to their other stuff. They've got their laundry room. Hello, morning. And the best part, Mars, look at this. It's like a studio. They've got a wine cellar inside. I don't want to open the lights and all, but yeah, they've got a jacuzzi here. And the gym. Ay, iba pa pala yan. This is our room. Chana.